Hey guys, so we are going to get started on this tutorial. So this is going to be a really easy spring tutorial for your hair. It's just a really fun side French braid, and that's what we're going to do today. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to need two things to start before we do this. You want your hair to be at least second or third day because it's going to hold the braid a lot better with the texture. And I didn't plan ahead for this, but usually I would prefer if one of the days before I did this, my hair was curly so that it had a little bit of like waves to grab onto, but it's totally fine if your hair is straight. Just make sure it's a little bit dirty. So I'm going to be using my dry shampoo first. This is the Batiste Instant Hair Refresh. And this is the Smell Cherry, which I don't really like, but that's what I have. And you're just going to go through and really get in the roots of your hair. That way we can rock that hair, second day hair, without looking like a grease ball. Okay. Now that we look our best, we are going to go ahead, and this is my Bumble & Bumble Thickening Dry Spun Finish Spray, and I like to use it to have a little bit of texture in my hair before I start any style. Have I ever looked better? No, the answer is no. Alright, so now we've got a little bit of texture in our hair, which is great. It's a little bit messy. It's got that dry shampoo. And we're going to go ahead and start this braid. So I'm going to take these little tiny elastics, and that's what I'm going to be using to tie my braid off back here. So what you're going to want to do is kind of separate, like I'm going to want my bangs out. Just kind of separate them so that you can leave a little bit of them out when you start braiding. There we go. So I'm going to start here with this section of hair, and I'm just going to begin my braid. I'm going to tie off this section. I'm going to do it a little bit low by my ear. I'm just going to put it into this little bun. Then I kept some of these pieces down here, and I'm just going to add a little bit of curl to them. So I have my curling iron here. I'm just going to take the longer pieces. And just leave them off to the side like that. I really want that to be pretty slicked. And then now we have a couple little straggler pieces that we're going to tuck with bobby pins. So I'm just going to take any of those small pieces back there, just tuck them in. That way that's all nice and tight. And you can kind of decide here with this little bun, you can tuck it in if you want, or you can leave it. I kind of think it's cute, so I'm going to leave the little bun there with my pieces. And then I'm going to take my bangs, push them out just a little bit. pull out some of those braid pieces, and there you have it, a really easy side swept French braid. It's really cute, it's really simple, and it's perfect for spraying, gets your hair out of your face as well as just kind of adds a little bit of texture, and it's really perfect for second or third day hair. So that is this final look with the hair. I really hope you guys like this tutorial. I know it was really fast and easy. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and if you'd like to see more hair tutorials in the future. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your week or weekend, and I will be sure to catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys!